Hello everybody, welcome to Mii Paintings. I'm Veronika Mii and today's painting tutorial will be very special because I would like to dedicate it to those who fight a terrible disease or to those who lost loved ones due to this terrible illness. You might guess what's coming because I chose some beautiful pink and red colors, and I'll be making this special piece with these colors. So it's crimson red, pearl hot pink and magenta light. This pearl hot pink is mica color, so that should be quite shiny when it gets dry. I also have got white as a base. Well, not as a base. I'll be mixing it with all of my other colors, but you'll see. I wanted to explain what I did with my colors. This is the consistency. It shouldn't be too watery, something between thick and thin, and I mixed them with my pouring medium, which I created from PVA glue. I use this type of glue, PVA glue, and I used 60% of PVA glue, 40% of water, tap water, not hot, not warm, just cold water, but not freezing, just usual tap water, and that creates my pouring medium. I will also put 2 drops of silicone oil in each color, and this is not necessary. It should create cells even though there's no silicone, because if you've got the right mixture of pouring medium, it should create cells, but I'm just adding it for little cells and we'll see. I've got my canvas, which is size, I think this is size 30 times 20 centimeters. And now it's time to make my flip cup. So it will be flip cup, and then you'll see white on the bottom. And then I start with the darkest red. Let's keep a tiny bit of each color in my cup in case I need them later on, because flip cup is not the only method which I'll be doing. So this is the magenta color, and the lightest one is pale hot pink. Let's put all of this in there. And then more white on the top, like this. But I'm keeping a little bit of white for later on because I will need that white. Now, here we go. Wish me luck. This is the most exciting part. I'm gonna drag it that way. Ooh, some nice, lovely combination of colors. Let's put all of these in here. I don't want to waste anything, as these colors are quite expensive. And now I can start moving them around. So I sometimes use this so I don't waste my colors. Let's put it in. Look at the beautiful pink color. Ooh, that's nice. Beautiful shades of pink and red. Now I'm gonna use my heat gun just to see the cells. But this is not finished. As I said, I will be turning it into special piece of art. So I've got my leftovers here, and I'm gonna pour the red color in the middle. Like this. Then my magenta. And also my white. Now I've got this piece of plastic. It's quite thin, as you can see. I don't know where I got it from, but I suppose you can get this kind of stuff in art shops. So yeah, I will be using it as a swiping tool, and it should create beautiful cells in my special art. So let's start. And just gently, and then I pull down. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. They will grow even bigger. Now the other part. Let's use my heat gun. No, I'm not very keen on pink, but in this case I love it. Look at that. Such beautiful cells. Now I've got my piece, I've got my balloon here, and I will try to make beautiful stems with my balloon. One in the middle, and we'll see how that works. Oh, that's beautiful. I always wipe it with wet tissue. Now that's it. I'm gonna keep it like this. The middle one will be absolutely perfect for my special shape. I'm gonna let these dry for at least three days. I always rather wait longer than shorter. Then I show you what to do next. So see you soon. My pour is dry now after a few days, and it's time to turn it into beautiful heart shapes. I love how these cells turned out, and it will be the similar process like painting water drops, but I'll just paint heart shapes. You can already see I draw some heart shape with my pencil, and now I start with black acrylic color. So one part will be dark and the other one will be white. Now the white part with white acrylic color. And now time for my reflection, which will be up here. And here you go, here you have got your special heart, and I'll make the rest of them and show you the finished result. So this is the result of my special Heart Acrylic pour, and I'd like to dedicate this piece to those who fight or fought a terrible disease, or to those who lost somebody due to this terrible illness. And I know sometimes it feels like you are all alone in this, but you're not. I know there's so many people around you or in the world who think about you, so you are not alone. We are here with you, and this special piece is made for you. So I hope you enjoyed this special tutorial. If you did, please give a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel, or you can also show us your beautiful art in my group, which is called Create With Me. And yeah, I all wish you good health, because that's the main thing. Stay safe and create. Bye.